Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can download and install Garmin Connect app. So let's get started. So here if you are an Android user, then you should must use a Google Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, you should use your Apple Store. So here I will just open my Google Play and I will directly search for Garmin Connect. Okay. So here we can say Garmin Connect mobile app. So here we can see the app. So you can just click on install button. It will automatically download and install the app on your device. If you scroll down, you can also see their ratings and you can also rate this app from here. And if you want to contact the developer or have any query, you can contact them as well. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.